Lived our life and where we are today. We're all, most of us are immigrants here, settlers. So I'd also like to acknowledge First Nations, and I think it's the home to the Delta and Surrey Media Association. So I think we are all very blessed and very grateful to live in this beautiful, beautiful land. And I also want to welcome in Seattle, so they're also imported, family imported. And I also want to acknowledge Sital and Santosh and their family come today, are very close and very dear to MK Uncle, and of course for all of us as a family. So thank you so much, each one of you, for being here. And I guess I think I'll let MK Uncle take the stage. But before I do, I think for me it's always been this source of inspiration, because MK Uncle has always lived his life in his own terms, and he's not afraid to be who he is in his weird, quirky ways too. And we've had our differences, of course, like in any relationships. So, but I really appreciate my uncle. And I think I'm here in Canada because of MK Uncle, because he was here when I decided to move to Canada. I followed him here to Vancouver. We were supposed to go to Toronto. They had already moved to BC, and he said, no, you need to bring your family here. It's such a beautiful place to live in, and I have no regrets. So thank you for that, Mangesh Uncle, for encouraging me to come here, have a family here. And I think most of our family actually moved all the way from Toronto and other places from Canada to Vancouver, BC, that we call home now. So we are in
to be a guest of honor today, and thanks to Hemi, my daughter, and Chandra, she is standing behind. She was daughter-in-law, now she is daughter. So those two daughters are the cornerstones of this program. Thanks to them that this program is happening. Of course, without you people, it would not have been happening like that. Madam Avida, I'm sorry about that. And also we will help too. So, besides my family over here, they are all my relatives over here. Regarding my friends, let me start right from the Mr. Srinath Acharya. Could you please stand up? Respectable Canadian citizen, with latest award being awarded. He will tell about that award that he deserves about that. Mr. Naveen Dhakalji, he is now the incumbent president of Canada Nepal Friendship and Cultural Society. What can I say? It was a kind approval that she gave it, and he is now here. He is son of Mr. Dhanraji, very close good friend, and his daughter there, a contemporary of my first grandson. Mr. Sanu Sakke, his name is Sanu, but he's great. He is senior to me. He was the first guy I met him here in Vancouver. It was in 2003. Since then we are together. It happened that we happened to graduate from the same university, Bosco Power Engineering. Elder sister, the mother of Mr. Niranjan, who passed away 2 years back. Now she is my another sister, the younger sister. Yes. And her husband, Mr. Rajan Pradhanji, and daughter Soundarya. And Sachin's sister, he is an engineer by profession. His father is my friend. And we are very close, family to family. And Madam Parvin, actually they are here with us in Vancouver. His brother-in-law is my Bhanja, Shital, and so instead of having Shital here, I am having privilege with them and Santosh, of course.
thank you for that. And I didn't get you. If I missed anyone, and Nishan, Savannah, Evin, Niranjan Bhai, yeah. Priyanka and Praveen. Oh, where's Priyanka and Praveen? Priyanka and Praveen, thank you for being here. And then Suresh Prasani ji and
शान्ति दीर्घायु बनाइयो है अरू त सबै मेरो गीतले अहिले गाउने गीतले सबै भनिहाल्छ
Of a parody poem, whatever you may call it. I don't know what exactly it is. I will be taking like that way. But the language is in Nepali and English Portuguese. आयोजक तथा प्रायोजक समस्त उपस्थित महानुभावहरूलाई धन्यवाद मुरी मुख्यतया विशेषतः हेमी तथा चन्द्रद्वयलाई याद गर्नुहोस्। यस्तै सुझुझे प्रोएक्टिभिटिज सदा कायमै रहोस्। हाम्रा आशीर्वादले तम्रा जीवन धन्य होस्। God bless you guys. यो AI, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Android और सेल्फ सर्भिस जमानालाई सलाम गर्दै परिचय गरौँ है त प्यारोडी भनौँ कि मपाई पाराले मूलत प्राविधिक तथा इन्जिनियरिङ काम शिक्षा तथा पेसाले पक्कै सोध्नु होला के हो त तिम्रो नामहरूका 3 पुस्ते चाहिँ मेरो लागि साह्रै गाह्रो काम फ्रेन्चमा रसियनमा या नेवारीमा जी हिन्दीमा मैं जापानीजमा हताशे चिनियामा सो अरबीमा अन्ना थाईमा फोम जानेको भाषा कसैको सिंह भाषामा पाको रे रमाइलो कुरो त के भने मानकाजी श्रेष्ठ थियो मेरो नेपाली राजधानीमा नाम बेला बहुत जब श्री जोडिन गइदिँदा मानमा अनि हुनु पुग्यो श्रीमान काजी श्रेष्ठ नितान्त अर्कै नाम काटिदिए श्रेष्ठ जातफलको नभएर यहाँ काम किनकि यहाँ पैसाको मात्रै हुने रहेछ दाम अनि फाल्तु काजीको मात्रै के सम्मान मेरी अरू बाँकी सबैको लागि म क्यानाडियन सर्टिफाइड सेनाको फेरि स्वागत तथा अनुमोदन अभिवादन शान्ति मन पराउने एक नारी ब्रह्मचारी आफ्नो काम गर्छ आफै गर्ने स्वावलम्बी क्यानाडाले जिजी हुई ईश्वरको सेवा गरी उदाहरण बन्न चाहने आफ्नो नाम आफै राख्ने अरूलाई सन्तुलन विज्ञान तथा प्रविधि पार गरी हालत अध्यात्ममा लागेको एक बन्न चाहिँ हँसी खुसी जीवन यापन गरिरहेको पुनर्जन्ममा के बन्ने भन्नेमा सोचमग्न भएको
because who knows what life has for us. So I think let's take the time to really appreciate who we have in our lives. And I just want to say, Mangaji uncle, I know you like accolades too. I know that about you. So I just wanted to tell you that you have been a very inspirational human being in my life. And I really appreciate you. Despite all our differences, we've had he's almost like my dad, my own dad. So we have had our differences, but one thing that I truly appreciate about Mangaji uncle is always seeing me for who I am, and he's always seen the potential that I have, and he's always encouraged me to be who I am. So thank you. And there are questions about the
त्यो क्वेसनमा आउनुभन्दा अगाडि मान्छेले चाहिँ सबैले चिनेको छ मैले चाहिँ उहाँलाई कसरी चिन्छु भने उहाँ नै सपनाहरू देख्नुहुन्छ त्यो सपना कहिले हाम्रो थुप्रा दिनुहुन्छ अब त्यो पुरा गर्ने नगरी चाहिँ हाम्रो काम उहाँको काम के क्वेसन चाहिँ मान्छे दाइ तपाईँले एन्सर गर्न सक्नु भएन नगर्नु होला होइन क्वेसन चाहिँ नि कुन उमेरमा आएर त्यस्तो अर्को जन्म के बन्ने भन्ने मनमा आउँदो रहेछ अथवा कुन सिचुएसनमा तपाईँलाई त्यो ट्रिगर गर्दो रहेछ त्यो के हो अर्को जन्ममा के बन्ने भनेर अहिले डिसाइड गर्न पाइँदो रहेछ त त्यो
Good question.
So during this retirement period, I have been reading, listening discourses, studying books after books. Every day, every morning, I have my structured way of doing things. And in that, just today I happened to listen to a discourse called this, what is actually human being, why you are here, and how you were in the past life, what you are going to be in the future life. There it seems there is some correlations, and there is some scientific proof also. There is the development that it has been disproved. The Chetana does not die. The physical body dies, but consciousness doesn't die. So that just changes, it transforms from one state to another, just like ice to water, water to vapor, something like that. And in that sense, there is a continuation of life. अनि यही कुरा गर्दाखेरि हाम्रो इन्डियाको लता मंगेशकर, शी इज अ भेटरन सिंगर, शी इज द नम्बर 1 singer in the world. She has entered in the Guinness another book. And you know what she replied? I don't want to be a singer. I just thought I don't know why. But it is
Learning new things and also teaching us throughout the way, right? So that's really important to be who you are and to disperse that knowledge and wisdom to everyone around you is a really great gift that you have, Mangaji uncle. So really appreciate. Inspiring as well, and I'm sure everybody in this room actually says how inspiring you are, Vinanti. So I know both of you have equal play at inspiring each other and really motivating each other to be the best of who you are. So I see that every day. So I just wanted to acknowledge that. Thank you. So on behalf of Mangaji uncle's offsprings, right there, Viman and Suraj, They are the ones who don't like to talk much. Unlike Maharaj and Pinanki, right? And they like to be on their own, not so much on the spotlight. So I think I'll let Vinandi speak on behalf of her family. Thank you.
Thank you. And I would like to thank each and everyone to be here, and then I'm very blessed to be the part, you are the part of our program. And what I said, he is my life partner, he is my teacher, he is my guidance, he is my everything. When I get married, I was only 19 years, just turned 19 years. So he guided me so many things, and then I learned from him so many things. I always follow his footsteps. When he published a book, I published the book. When we start singing, then I sing a song. And he always encouraged me. He said, oh, everybody does, why you cannot? You can do, try. And then he always encouraged me. And he encouraged me to, in our family, you should study more. You should. He always encouraged me. Don't worry. When everybody sleep, then I start study, and then I give private, and then I passed bachelor's degree, and then degree, and I did the, and then after I did the master's, and he said, no, you have to do the PhD. In our family, nobody has a PhD. You have to do it. Oh, I cannot. You can do it. He always encouraged me. And I remember he encouraged to Amy also. He wants to be a doctor. She should be doctor. And he bought the, still also he wake up like 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, he wake up and he starts studying. He likes to study. And then one time I remember, he doesn't like to be failed. He always like to be successful. And then one time my son, one subject he failed. And then that time,
My husband.
And he brings the paper to sign. And he look at it, and he has one subject failed, and he throw away. And then I always first grade, first, and the second one was always third. So never have to say, oh, you have to study. You never have to say. He does the yoga for 3-4 hours. And then he always practice the music, practice the song, and then he learned the sign language. Right now he's learning Reiki, and he studied the everything. He always like to learn something new. 2-3 years he learned. After that he passed it to him. And right now also I'm very happy to be his wife, and I would like to thank you everything and everything.
And I married
Kind of your teacher, not your husband. I want to see that part. I want to hear. Okay?
टिचर यस्तो मतलबमा के भने अब त्यो बेला 19 वर्षकोमा बिहा गर्दाखेरि त अब त्यति चाइल्डहुड त टाइपको हुन्छ त नाच्ने गाउने अब फिल्म हेर्न मन लाग्ने त्यस्तो हुन्छ हैन अनि उहाँले चाहिँ हैन अब यस्तो जिन्दगी गर्नु हुँदैन हामीले अब भोलि के पर्छ त्यो सिक्दै जानुपर्छ भनेर अलि पुस्दै गर्नुभयो उहाँले पनि अब त्यति बेला चाहिँ अलि गाह्रै भएको हुन चाहिँ हैन अनि सबैजना डराउने भयो देखेर सबैजना डराउने अनि अरू त के भने कुकुरसँगै डराउने हाम्रो एउटा कुकुर थियो सानो कुकुर थियो अनि त्यहाँबाट त्यो कुकुर चाहिँ भन्दाखेरि अब त्यो बेलामा गाह्रो भए पनि अब अहिले आएर राम्रो भयो नि त होइन। उहाँले गर्दाखेरि के हो मैले कस्तो लाग्यो भने भोलि भनेको के हुन्छ होइन। अब त्यो पनि भयो। अर्को कुरा उहाँले चाहन्छ भने मैले गर्नुपर्छ भन्ने आफैमा ब्लेम भयो कि उहाँप्रति चाहिँ ब्लेम हुँदै गएँ होइन। अब त्यसै ब्लेम नगर्नु सके भए त अब डाइजेस्ट गर्नु गाह्रै हुन्थ्यो।
टाढिदिनुहुन्छ है, धेरै कुरा त हाँसेर नै टाढिदिनु भएको छ। सो आई थिङ्क माई मम क्यान अटेस्ट टु द्याट, देव नोन इच अदर फर मेनी इयर्स। अनि जहिले पनि भन्नुहुन्छ मम्मीले पनि बिनाले त हाँसेरै टाढिदिन्छ सबै चिज कति सजिलो बनाइदिनुहुन्छ क्या तपाईँले।
रिश्ता उल्टेर शादी भयो त
अहिले मैले आफै भनिसकेँ म 3 मिनट मात्रै अहिले हुन पनि गर्न
कसरी रिलेटेड छ भने अब म 1 वर्षको भए उहाँ चाहिँ रसिया पढ्न जानुभयो, 68मा जानुभयो नि त, 67 68मा उहाँ चाहिँ अब कस्तो भयो उहाँ फर्केर आउनुभएपछि चाहिँ केही समयको जुन इन्टरभल थियो त्यो टाइममा चाहिँ उहाँले अहिले माइजूले भन्नुभएको थियो अब सबैजना डराउने भएको थियो होइन। उहाँको क्यारेक्टर थियो जो कोही पनि बोल्नु सक्नुहुन्थेन यति ओपन उहाँ त्यो टाइपको थियो। तर त्यो बुझ्नलाई चाहिँ मलाई पनि रसिया नै जानु पऱ्यो। अनि त्यहाँ गएपछि मात्रै मैले बुझेँ उहाँलाई उहाँ किन यस्तो भएको छ भन्ने कुरा बुझ्नलाई चाहिँ आफूले चाहिँ त्यहाँ गएर चाहिँ बुझेपछि त्यहाँको परिस्थिति उहाँ चाहिँ के हुनुभएछ भने उहाँ चाहिँ बाप्टाइज हुनुभएछ क्या। उहाँ चाहिँ पुरै रसियन हुनुभएछ, रसियन भन्दा पनि डबल रसियन उहाँ। अनि त्यही थ्योरी चाहिँ उहाँले इम्प्लिमेन्ट गर्ने क्या नेपालमा। वाज लाइक अब इभन उहाँको इन्ट्रेस्टिङ जस्तो अब उहाँ चाहिँ नेपालमा आएर काम गर्नुभयो सरकारी जागिर होइन, उहाँ नुयामा गर्नुहुन्थ्यो। त उहाँ आफ्नो लन्च टाइममा हाकिमले डाके डिजीले डाके पनि नजाने, डिजीमा लन्च आयो त्यो टाइपको चाहिँ उहाँ स्टाइल गरेर बस्नु। मतलब त्यो त नेपालमा त त्यो अब त्यहाँ जस्तो उहाँले चाहिँ कस्तो भने त्यो रसियन स्टाइलै गर्नुभयो क्या। अब त्यहाँ चाहिँ अब लन्च ब्रेक भयो, लन्च ब्रेक हो नि त, त्यहाँ अब हाकिम डाके पनि नजाने जुन त्यो ट्रेन थियो उहाँले त्यही नै इम्प्लिमेन्ट गर्नुभयो नेपालमा पनि। अब त्यो हरेक धेरै सेक्टरमा उहाँले त्यो गर्नुभएको छ। तर मलाई एकदम इन्ट्रेस्टिङ लागेको चाहिँ उहाँलाई चिन्नलाई म आफै रसिया पुग्नु पऱ्यो।
आजबाट बुझियो।
उहाँ चाहिँ जस्तै म उहाँ 7 इयर्स बिताउनुभयो रसियामा, 7 इयर्स बिताउनुभयो। म उहाँभन्दा जस्तो अलमोस्ट डबल 12 वर्ष बसेँ। तर अहिले पनि जुन उहाँको जुन भाषाप्रतिको लगाव, साहित्य, रसियन लिटरेचरहरूमा उहाँको जति उ छ नि त्यो चाहिँ अहिले भर्खर फ्रेस रसियन त्यहाँ पढेर आउने नेपाली हाम्रो रसियन ग्रेजुएटहरूलाई सित पनि त्यही उहाँ जुन हिसाबमा भाषा बोल्नुहुन्छ, जुन हिसाबमा उहाँले त्यहाँको साहित्य, सङ्गीत, म्युजिक सारा चिजको भनिराख्नुहुन्छ नि। जस्तो म चाहिँ 1956 को एउटा पुरानो एकदम पपुलर सङ चाहिँ उहाँलाई कन्ठै आउनु पऱ्यो। उहाँले चाहिँ अस्ति गाउनुभयो म गाउँदाखेरि अब टोटली सर्छ। अब त्यो चाहिँ एउटा त्यो चाइल्डहुड मेमोरी त्यो भयो। अनि अर्को चाहिँ उहाँको इन्ट्रेस्टिङ अलिअलि मेमोरीहरू पनि छ त्यो चाहिँ अलिक सेयर गर्न चाहन्छु। जस्तो उहाँको एउटा स्ट्यान्ड आफूले चाहिँ नास्तिक पनि हुनुहुन्थ्यो उहाँ चाहिँ अब त्यस्तो कम्युनिस्ट उसमा उ गर्नुभएको होइन। अब उहाँले चाहिँ भगवान् सगवान छैन भन्ने हिसाबको एकदम नास्तिक फिलोसफीको मान्छे हो। अनि एकचोटि चाहिँ एउटा इन्ट्रेस्टिङ अब माइजूले सेयर गर्नुलाई होइन गर्नु भएन उहाँले, अब मै भन्दैछु। तर अब यसमा यो त्यस्तो नेगेटिभ त होइन। उहाँ चाहिँ कस्तो भने एकचोटि एउटा सानो मिटिङ खालि उसको लागि मात्रै रमाइलोको लागि मात्रै भन्दैछु। उहाँलाई चाहिँ एकचोटि खाना खाएर चाहिँ त्यो माछाको हड्डी चाहिँ अनि त्यो पछि अब कस्तो भने अब इङ्ग्लिसै जानु परेको नि त। अब त्यो नेपालमा एउटा चलन हुन्छ कि त्यो माछाको हड्डी अड्किँदाखेरि चाहिँ गुनास गुनास भन्यो भने चाहिँ त्यो निस्किन्छ भन्ने खालको एउटा संस्कार हुन्छ। अब उहाँले ज्यादै भनेर मान्नु भने गुनास भनेपछि इमर्जेन्सीमा जानु पऱ्यो। अब बिरासिलो इमर्जेन्सीमा गइसक्यो त्यहाँ गएर गुनास साँच्चीले यो भारी
गुराँस भन्नुभएर त हामी हस्पिटलै आउनु पर्दैन भने गुराँस भने पनि कहाँ हुन्छ त होइन होला।
मलाई पनि मेरो एउटा साथी कहाँ आइरहेको छ भन्नु त्यो लाइभ क्लासमै प्रसङ्गमा अनि त्यो एकजनाले रेस्पोन्स गर्नुभयो। उहाँले भन्नुभयो उहाँले मानका चाहिँ जेनरलाई चिन्नुहुन्छ चिन्नु सोध्नुहोस् त। अर्थ पनि यति पावरफुल हुँदो रहेछ कि त्यो अनि पछि पनि होला सोधेँ यस्तो यस्तो तपाईँलाई चाहिँ गरिरहेको थियो भनेको उहाँले चिन्नु हुँदो रहेछ त्यो उहाँ चाहिँ जर्नल के मिडियाको मान्छे हुँदो रहेछ होइन अब त्यो चाहिँ एउटा यस्तो मतलब यस्तो त धेरै छ अब टाइम त हामीसित भनेर उहाँले एउटा मारवाडी गभर्मेन्ट जोक राख्नु भएको थियो त्यो पनि टाढाको नाम राखिदिन्छ त्यो चाहिँ त्यस कारणले मामा भनेको चाहिँ के रहेछ भने नि त्यसले लाग्यो कि ठुलो लाग्यो त्यस कारणले इट इज नट भेरी सिम्पल जस्ट टु बी मामा है मामा कम्स को लाइबिलिटी त्यो कारणले गर्दाखेरि हामी सबै जो मामा छौँ आफ्नो लाइबिलिटी पनि ख्याल गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ जस्तो लाग्छ
भएको मान्छे हो सो मैले भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ फेरि स्लाइडली फ्रम डिफ्रेन्ट पर्सपेक्टिभ है र यसो सोचेर आई टुक सम नोट्स पनि सो म चाहिँ when I became a US citizen back in Boston कुरा चाहिँ we had a very special guest a judge came to give a speech welcome speech and she said naturalized citizens are truer citizens than native born because they weren't simply born in the country. They chose to live in the country. They qualified. So they are true citizens. Explain I'm the welcome today. So in that sense, my uncle is probably the most truest Canadian that I know of. He was determined to be a Canadian. And he was a trailblazer. When he came here, he was a trailblazer. I'm in Seattle because I was in the East Coast, Boston. So, and he was ready to give up everything to become a Canadian. I can survive even Canada. You remember that? Mandal has been a pillar of strength in our family. Even as kids, we knew we could always count on him, and he cared for us deeply. My earliest memories of him are from the days of while he was in college, or maybe it was like college in Nepal, before we went to Russia. He was pretty hip at the time. Still is, you can see that, right? He has stylish long hair, and he was a cool uncle at the time. I found envelopes of Michael Jackson, ABBA, in our living room, and that was actually the first time I ever listened to Thriller. He would take us to movies, he would give us treats, every chance he got. And on his wedding day, I remember with Binanti, Amy and I were like the groom mates. We were sitting so close to him throughout the event. Jantima from the car to the Swamber, and he never let us not be by his side. He was our favorite uncle. But in all seriousness, Mangal's uncle has also been more than a father figure in Manila. So he was more than a father figure to us. When we were going through a painful chapter in our life, he was the unwavering anchor for us. We didn't ask him to be. He didn't impose us on anything to us either. So he just became. During those 10 times, and those were our very formative years, he has put interests of others before himself. Maybe not always, but absolutely when it was really needed. More than 20 years ago, he graciously deftly handled all the family politics, our family complexities, and even accepted Simple my wife, Simple Kanyadan, a core idea he was totally against all his life. And he made Simple feel very welcome to the family. But get this, it was after making sure that Simple was not being forced to marry me. Before we got married. So he did his due diligence. I'm sure he faced a lot of pushbacks at the time and backlash. Maybe even threats of ostracism from our family at the time. But he never said a word to me. He never let it on. Because he didn't want to sour the mood of a soon-to-be Dullah. So through ups and downs of life, Manga's uncle has always followed his passions and has tried to stay true to himself, like Amy said, right? Even if that meant going through several transformations. You know what I'm talking about, right? Pulse, even though going through an evolution of identities, so he has embraced several identities to come to be where he is now, right? So that's amazing. मलाई एउटा नाम चेन्ज गर्न गाह्रो छ है. He has taken on so many personalities. He has published so many books. He has documented his life journey with a lot of thoughtfulness and joy. His books are so witty. I was sharing one of his books with Kanat Manedati when he was a guest at our host, and he was remarking he was his own best, but also recently he's competing with Vedanti to publish. We are really lucky, very happy diamond birthday to Mandalandal. So congratulations.
Cultural Nepal Canada Friendship and Cultural Association. He had talked to them, and actually he had signed a memorandum of understanding with them with the he represented that organization that was yet to be born. So he came down here, and that time he went around and looked at people's profile and everything. We need to found this organization. Then in a sudden moment like that, I'm also someone who have founded many organizations like that. In Winnipeg, in the Saskatchewan Nepali organization, my wife and myself, we are the founders. We have that experience already. I had the experience of writing bylaws in Canada. Myself, I didn't have to go to lawyer. And then what happened was I cooperated with him. And not many people have that. The unclear understanding of what humanity is all about. What is human rights? What is equality in society? Money is nothing for him. Actually, he would have, as an engineer, when he saw me in Winnipeg, he told me, you are the first person to get PNG in Canada. Nepali people getting PNG certification. That membership. So he would have earned a lot of money. But he was not after money. He was after the human values and the human, what the humanity is about. That whom I can call Dai, who is the elder brother. There are a handful of people whom I can call Dai. That is elder brother. He is older than me only by 4 years. After 4 years, my 75 will come. Also, hormone was naturally the cause. Cause was connected.
So Leon drank 1, 2, 3, 4 cups.
I haven't even finished my food.
He's lying.
अब यता बस्न आए बेलामा
त्यही अस्ति फकाइ हामीलाई राम्रो डिलमा
नमस्ते
जात के हो भन्नु होला घोषणा गर्दैछु आजकै दिन त्यो त्यसको दिन अनि के हो नि यो भन्नु होला कृपया गुगल सर्च गर्नु होला वास्तवमा नराटी भन्नुपर्दा खोटानी नरहेको वर्षेनी म पूजा गर्दा कि म के हुँ को हुँ मलाई नै थाहा छैन तपाईहरुलाई त थाहा हुने छन् कुरै भएन गुगल च्याट जीपीटी कसैले भ्याउन नपाएको मेरी श्रीमती बिनाले थाहा पाइछे खुसुक्क मेरो कानमा भन्नु भइहालेछ म त ज्ञानी जेल सिंह रे सारे आज्ञाकारी पति भएकोले ज्ञानी रे कोठेवाद भएकोले जेल थपिएको रे अनि भन्नु होला
Fortunate and everyone of being together is a great memory. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dronaji. Yeah. We have, I know, we are.
Sorry, I'm not gonna get much of your time, but my father-in-law is actually a father figure. He's been a wonderful man, and he's a man of a lot of talents. Just wanted to wish Dad a very, very happy 75th birthday, and wish you many, many more years, and we all love you so much. Thank you.
For you, Dad. Many more years of happiness and health.
The ghazal is written in Nepali. मैले म छन्दमा लेख्छु यसलाई तवज्जो चाहता हूँ काजी श्रीमान मान काजी दाजी बनेर आयो श्रीमान मान काजी दाजी बनेर आयो जेना पवित्र प्यारा आनंद मुस्कुरायो श्रीमान मान काजी साहित्य जिंदगानी भिनाई मानवादी साहित्य जिंदगानी भिनाई मानवादी उस्ताद आत्मा मेरा आत्मीयता चखायो श्रीमान मान काजी विमान कंछा बिना सलाम देवी आहा विमान कंछा मस्को कमाल पहिले शागिर्द जगमगायो श्रीमान मान काजी विज्ञान ज्ञान तिम्रो मेरो ही कहानी स्वाधीन क्युइडीमा अस्ति मेरोमा उहाँले साध्य क्युइडी ल्याउनु भएको थियो मैले त्यहाँ क्युइडी ल्याएको स्वाधीन क्युइडीमा नौसाध्य गुनगुनायो श्रीमान मान काजी दाजी दिए बधाई हैप्पी बर्थडे माँ दाजी दिए बधाई हैप्पी बर्थडे माँ बाजे दाहित्य धनच सारा नीलांबरे कहानी आचार्य झिलमिलायो श्रीमान मानकाजी अंतिम शेर प्यारा कुमार जोड़ी कर्तव्य कर्मयोगी प्यारा कुमार जोड़ी कर्तव्य कर्मयोगी सत्कर्म खास दानी नेपालमा सघायो श्रीमान मानकाजी दाजी बनेर आयो जेना पवित्र प्यारा आनी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू
भवजलति पारं परगुणं रमाकान्तं कान्तं भयान्तं भवसुखं तुराशान्तं शान्तं निखिलहृदि आन्तं भुवनपम् तत्सुर्वे बहुतं पुरस्ताशुक्रम उच्चरत् पशेम शरदा शतं शतं भूयस् सरदा सता। मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि मनकर श्रेष्ठ का जीवन जो समाज के योगदान उन्होंने किया है वह और अधिक गति से बढ़े और समुदाय की राष्ट्र की प्रगति और उन्नति में सहायक है। I would like
And I don't have any juicy stories or anecdotes or anything to share with you, except to tell that Mankaji is a very inspirational person, very optimist, always looking forward to things. Back in 2012 or 2013, on behalf of Writers International Network of Canada, we recognized his writings, his literary works, and awarded him that time Distinguished Writer of Canada. And just another thing about his optimistic inspirational story. Coming to this country and putting roots down, and I see he has so many people to back him up, to dream the dream of joining an institution to make further contribution. And that time I spent some time to do the references and very eagerly waited. I thought he would be the one selected. But when the results came, I phoned him. I said, I'm sorry to see your name is not there. But he just laughed. He said, life goes on. And optimism goes on. And that time, that morning, I just read a story about Socrates. 2 hours is a long time. It took me a lifetime to realize I have only 2 hours left and I want to learn. And that's the kind of optimism I find in him. Happy birthday, and I hope you many more. Thank you.
Okay, everybody ready? Yes. Okay, the kids, grandkids, they want jackets? Come, grandkids.
family, come on. Myra, Babaku birthday. Okay, all practice. Ready?
Yes.
Are we ready to go? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mother. Happy birthday to you. You can do the honors. एउटा सानो पिस एउटा प्लेट चल्दै
I would just like to share the fact that he is now 85 years old. Can you imagine? 10 years senior to me. I am just following his footsteps. God bless you. God bless you. You are seeing these skills.
Well, you don't look like 85.
Out of you, you are very deserving. I really respect him. And यदि भन्दै म चाहिँ दुई चाहिँ शब्दहरु यही टुङ्ग्याउँछु तर मानिकाजी दाइ डेफिनेटली यु आर भेरी ट्यालेन्टेड म चाहिँ दाइ भन्छु तर उहाँ चाहिँ यसो हेर्दाखेरि ल दाइ नै भनेर चाहिँ म भन्छु तर चाहिँ ओहो उहाँ त मेरो आमाको आएको चाहिँ यसकै जस्तो हुँदो रहेछ तर चाहिँ म चाहिँ यति फ्रेन्डली नजिक भएर दाइसँग कि दाइ भन्छु तर इज रियली लाइक माई ब्रदर बट रियली आई बीन enjoying my time with you there in Camp. Thank you so much, Happy birthday again.